So set A comes with the spin blades and also drill bits and their great pin vise. Hello, this is BJ from Hearns Hobbies, and I'm going to talk about GodHand and how it's GodHand's 10th anniversary. Well, actually it's their 11th anniversary. And I started making some of these very special anniversary sets. So I've got a set A and a set B, and I'm going to be looking at set A now. So set A comes with the spin blades and also drill bits and their great pin vise, which is down the bottom here. So let's open it up and have a closer look at all the parts. Okay, so this is how you get a GodHand set. So they've had New Year's sets before, lucky bag sets, and this is their 10th anniversary version. So you can see a little sticker there indicating the 10th anniversary. And basically what you get in a set is you get a selection of components that work very well together, and you'll get those at a much better price too. It's more economical to buy them in a pack than to buy them separately. And since it's the anniversary, they've also included a Noren as well. So a Noren, if you're not familiar with it, is a Japanese style curtain which you find on a lot of shops. So it's a half curtain that hangs up, and I'll open it up later and let you see what it's all about. All right, so if we look at the back of the pack as well, it's great because they give you an indication of how to use the components. So you start off with the drill bits. So you use the drill bits to drill the hole. Oh, actually, that's a better diagram here. And when you drill the holes, there's always this chiseled part on the bottom, and it leaves this dome. So once the dome's there, you finish it off with the spin blade. So you pick the exact same size of spin blade, and the hole acts as a guide while you rotate, and then the flat bottom chisel actually makes that totally flat. So what you're left with are these finer details, such as joins or rivet type details. And then by itself, you can also use the chisels as a chisel. So for cleaning up parts and actually for scraping parts away. Okay, let's have a closer look. Now we'll just open this up. All right, so we'll take out each of these parts gently. Okay, so actually there's a better picture of the Noren there as well, and that's in a doorway. Okay, so this is what you get. So you get a set of the B type drill bits, and they're from 1mm to 3mm. So you got the increments of 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3. And then they've got the matching spin blades, which are in the same sizes. So you got 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3. So you use these first. So your drill bits are just put into the pin vise. And then this is a pin vise which has got the 2 collets in it, and the collets have different sizes on each end. So you end up with 4 different collets, and it can accommodate drill bits from say 0.3 all the way up to 1/8, which is 3.2mm. Now, seeing that these shanks are 3mm, so a nice thick shank, you'll use the biggest setting collet on that to use. Okay. So basically you start off with your drill bit. So you want a 2mm hole. You start off with your 2mm drill bit, pop it in here. And then once you've drilled that out, change the bit to the 2mm spin blade, and then you rotate that inside the hole to make it nice and flat bottomed. All right, so they're the parts there in the set, and then here's the Noren, okay? And you get it in a little pack like that, so it folds out. And let's just open it up. Let's just find the opening. Where's the opening? There we go. Okay, and there you go. So you can see the GodHand printing. Just fold it out. And there you go. So that's the Noren. So you can see how it's got the split window. So when you go into the shop, basically you poke your head through and off you go. And it's got the loops on the end, so you just pop a dowel through there, and that just hangs up on some hooks above your doorway. So that's a piece of Japanese culture there, and that comes free with every set. So that's it. So that's the GodHand 10th anniversary and that is the Set A, which comes with the drill bits, the spin blades, and the pin vise. And the Noren, of course.